As a beginner, you may always be looking for a best Google Ads strategy to optimize and run your Google Ads campaign. This is why today I'm here with the best Google Ads strategy as a beginner to run your Google Ads campaign. If you are starting as a new business, follow this strategy and I hope that you will get good results. The first thing we have to do is to set or allocate our budget, which I suggest $50 per day as being written over here. Apart from this, I'm going to suggest you to run broad match keywords to start. Now you may be saying around that I've been recommending phrase match all the time. So why I'm saying the broad match over here is just to get the data. I may run it for a week. I may get the data and optimize the campaign. So I will come onto this part again later on as well. Third is extensive negative keywords at the ad group level. Now this is where I will be working around. If you have a good set of negative keywords, you can follow this, or so that, for instance, you can use the word free, scam, cheap, hack, and add them as negative keywords, and then you can increase those as you get data by running campaigns. Also, I recommend you to have a one high converting landing page per business. Okay, this is very important. So this is where the beginners mostly avoid, or they get failed is they do not have solid negative keywords. Now the negative keywords, for that you may need a data. So with broad match and smart bidding, and after this, this can make you work well for a week, and after this I recommend you to shift to the phrase match. So start with manual CPC bidding and set a hard max CPC, because you just have to get the data on what keywords, what landing page are working well for you, what audience is working well for you, or maybe if not a week, then maybe after 10 days, review the search terms, pull what's working well, and create phrase or exact match. So conversion for me is a simple name plus email in a lead form. So try to have a smallest possible lead form, because users do not have much time to fill all of your leads. So which is why the smaller the lead form is, the quicker you are going to get, or the more amount of leads you can get through. Apart from this, another perspective which I have learned over the years is that majority of the campaigns get failed because they do not match what the ad headline or ad expectations people have in their mind when they click on your ad. So try to understand, when someone clicks on your ad, they got some sort of expectations by the ad copy you have provided, but 70 to 80% of the business fails over here, that their landing page is not what the audience were looking for, and they may actually leave your page, and you may be like, oh, why my Google ads is not working? Sir, this is the reason why the Google ads is not working, is you do not have an amazing landing page. You are spending money for each visitor to land on your website, but you do not have an amazing landing page, is where you're gonna regret later on. Spend money, divide your budget maybe, and spend that half of the budget in creating a highly converting landing page, if possible multiple landing pages, because the people may have different intent. I was referring to a lawyer video, and over there someone was promoting a divorce law and a business law, both of the campaigns through the same landing page, and I suggested, no, this is not the best way, you are wasting money. Why? Because the intent of someone who's searching on a divorce, see the feelings of him or her, the pain they are going through, and they do not have concern with the business law or something like that. So try to understand the situation. Also, you can create both landing page, and both of the landing page can link with each other. But if you are putting all of the stuff in the one page, that's going to confuse the user and their attention will be lost, which is why I recommend creating a different landing page for each of the campaign. So the winning formula is one page, one offer, and fast loading. Now the fast loading is over here, is speed is again, the speed is the next thing important. Why? Because whenever someone tries to open your website, the time it takes to open your website, I do not want my audience or my visitor to think something else while my website gets loaded, which is why faster the speed, the more the sales you are going to get. So I will put my money on getting a good web hosting service as well to get it sorted. So yeah, the consistency works for me. I hope it works for you. And after manual CPC, I may be moving up my campaign to maximize clicks and then maximize conversions and the later on data for ad schedule, ad optimization, and I will look around. But this is the first strategy as a beginner. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Take care.